Hi everyone, I'm Devi and today I'm gonna show you a purple gradient polka dot nail design. Before doing your nails, always put base coat on your natural nails to protect them from staining. And after it dries, apply light purple color nail polish. And here, with the magic of editing, I fast forward the nail painting part, and here I realized that I was not supposed to paint my ring fingernail with this color, so I'm painting my ring fingernail with golden color nail polish. And now for the gradient, first put tape on the cuticle areas of your nail. I have explained it in detail in this video. Then on a makeup sponge, apply 3 different shades of purple. The middle one is not appearing purple in the video, but it is a shade of purple. All the nail polishes which I have used in this nail art named in the description box, you can check there. And when you are satisfied with the gradient, then remove the tape off of your finger. After the removal of tape, clean any nail polish which is left on your skin with Q-tip dipped in a nail polish remover. There was a barrier of tape, that's why I have to clean up less, and when the cleanup is done it should look like this. And then make polka dots. I have explained it in this video and I will leave the link to this video in the description box. You can check it there. And on middle finger I am going to put these stickers. I got these nail stickers from online. To apply this sticker on your nail, first you have to take the protective sealing off from the sticker and then place it on the nail, and with Q-tip dipped in water, wet the sticker, and when it soaked, remove the paper, and that's it. In the end, apply top coat to seal in your design. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more nail art videos like this.